how to close account on N26. So here's a step-by-step guide. First, you want to empty your account. Make sure your balance is €0. Transfer any money out of your N26 account. If you're in the negative, you need to pay it back first. The next step will be closing any investments. If you use N26 crypto, stocks, or ETFs, sell or transfer those first. You can't close the account until they're gone. Step 3, start the closure process. You want to log into the N26 app or use the web app. Go to the settings, which is going to be the cogwheel, and then you will select close account. Follow the steps shown on screen. The fourth step, if you can't log in, send an email to N26 from your registered email with your full name, your N26 IBAN, and a new IBAN to transfer the leftover funds. A signed request saying that you want to close the account. And step 5, which is going to be the last step, after the account is closed, make sure you cut up your card. Be sure to destroy it, both the chip and the magnetic stripe, so it can't be reused. I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.